To innovate, you need innovative tools. Someone that can find solutions where others can't. A place where you can take an idea and bring it to life. We were born out of a need for better tools, better training, better support for engineers. Whether you're a designer, a tester, or a builder, we're here to help guide you to design smarter, manufacture faster, and build stronger. Pushing boundaries, sparking innovation. From the smallest part that's saving lives, to forging new frontiers. If you can dream it, together, we can build it.